Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my all-time favorite and comfy shoes collection, and I will also tell you the tips which you should consider while buying your shoes or building your shoes collection. As you know that shoes are an important role in developing your personal style. So let's begin. First thing you should consider while buying any shoes is the comfort level. The sole should be very comfortable. So while buying these slider or slipper, these are made up of fur and there is a pearl over here which make it formal as well, so you can use it at home as a slipper, and
You can also wear this while going for outing or your workplace.
favorite shoes for summer is this slider. It's again in black color. I try to buy my shoes in neutral color so that it can go along with all dresses. So you can wear it with eastern or western dresses both. It has a silver round shape buckle. It's a kind of buckle and it's also look very stylish, and you can use it casually and formally both.
You can see that it fits quite well on my feet.
My next favorite shoes are these boot-like shoes. As you can see that here is a golden buckle with an extra detail which looks so nice, and the corduroy print over here. That's also make it a very stylish. So you can wear it without socks or with socks, and that will look very nice and elegant. Favorite shoes for summer is this shoe which has a golden or white pearl detail over here, and it has a buckle from behind which make it extra supportive. So it's great to wear with ties, trousers and other summer dresses. So it's great addition to your summer shoe collection.
I have paired these golden shoes with my pink tights over here.
I have this golden open shoes. That's again for summer season. As you can see that it's golden details just make it very special, and it's a very old shoes of mine, but it lasted long, and I just wear it many occasions. So it's also very great and stylish. So if you want, then you can buy or you can add this to your summer collection.
These shoes also give very elegant vibes.
I would like to show you my next casual or summer shoes. It has a long rectangular buckle over here with a golden lining, and here there's a kind of braid, and it has also a back strap which make it extra supportive. So you should buy this kind of buckled shoes for summer. That will make you supportive and also consider your comfort level.
This style will look unique and trendy in summers.
Next slider for summer is this H-shaped yellow or mustard slider. That's also very great. It's supportive from front, and its sole is also very soft. So if you want the comfort level and style at the same time, then you should buy this kind of slider. And it is not neutral color, but it can go along with all kinds of dresses which has a yellow touch, or you can wear them with black or other dresses as well.
These H-shaped yellow slider looks very trendy.
Thought that I should show you something which is also great for casual and formal wear. So this is a khussa. It has a brown color khussa, like it has a brown leather khussa, and over here there is a thread print. It contains a lot of colors, or it has a multicolor, so you can mix and match with a lot of dresses. So these are also very great for your formal or fancy dresses, and also for casual wear. You can go out to your workplace by wearing this because it looks decent and casual as well.
These multicolored khussa will give very traditional and cultural vibe to your outfit and your overall personality.
Next, I would like to show you this palms design on which there was a rectangular kind of buckle. It is a cheetah print also, so it will look also very elegant. You can use this in winter season and summer season as well. I would like to show you my fancy shoes. In fancy shoes you can buy golden, silver or black color which goes along with all the fancy dresses. So it's a silver color fancy shoes, and it has a 2-inch heel. I think I don't buy much higher heels because I don't feel comfortable in walking in higher heels. So here is a back buckle which make it extra supportive and go along most of the fancy dresses. Next, I would like to show you my ankle boots with the chunky heels. So it's quite trendy nowadays, like chunky heels and with the front laces. And here you can see that the buckle which giving it extra style or extra detail, and on the other side it has a zip. So it's quite stylish to wear with western dresses and skate fitting jeans.
You can see that how stylish these ankle boots will look on skin fitting jeans. In winter collection, I would also like to show you my skin long boots. That's also very handy in winter season. It also keep your feet warm. And next is fur boot. It has a fur border. It's also look very nice.
Next, I would like to show you my golden boots. It has a green and red stripe, so I would want to buy this because it has a golden color. I was so fascinated by its golden color. So it's, I think, a copy of Gucci shoes. So you can wear this for workout or walk, so it's quite comfortable, and you should have one or two pair of joggers which you can use for workout or walk. I would like to show you my peach colored joggers. It's look quite nice, and I just really love or admire these joggers. And you can see that it again has a chunky sole, chunky white sole, and it's from Almas. And you can see that its color is so girlish and so cute that I was really fascinated by these shoes. I haven't wear these yet. So it's again very comfortable, and you can use it for walk or workout. So these are also quite available in quite reasonable price. So you should have one pair of joggers. So these are great joggers which you can use for your workout and walk.
See how cute these joggers are looking with tights.
Enjoyed my all-time favorite and comfy shoes collection, and you will consider these points while buying your shoes, that always choose a neutral color palette. Always consider the sole, that it is comfortable or not, and also consider the design that was simple but elegant. So hope this will be helpful, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.